guys, welcome back to your English classes. Today is Wednesday, March 24th, 2021, and I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Okay, so today what we're going to talk about, it's about obligations and provisions. To say that we have an obligation or we are provided for something, we use must and mustn't or must not. For example, we use must to say obligations or a strong advice, like those ones. She must be in bed because she has the flu, and Jack must brush his teeth before going to bed. As you can see, these are obligations or strong advices for you or the person that you are with who you are talking about needs to follow. And for prohibitions, we use mustn't or must not. For example, Peter must not sleep during the class, or you mustn't smoke. You mustn't smoke and you must not sleep in class. Okay, those are what we're going to see today. For example, we have examples with must. I must do my homework. You must clean the house. They must speak in English. She must go to class and we must do exercise. Example with must not. I must not do my homework. You must not clean the house. They must not speak in English. She must not go to class, and we must not do exercise. We only to say a negation, we only add the not to must. Let's see these examples. For example, the first one, you listen to your teacher, is a must or mustn't? It's a must. You must listen to your teacher. Let's see number two. You have your books. You must or you mustn't? You must have your books. You play at school. You must or you mustn't? Well, at school you can play, so you must play at school. Let's see number four. You drink a lot of water. You must or you mustn't? You must drink a lot of water. You run. You must run or you must not run? You must run. Let's see number five. You forgot your homework. You must or you mustn't? You mustn't forget your homework. That's good. Let's see that's number six. You shut at school. You must or you mustn't? You must not shut at school. Let's see number 8. Yeah. You eat a lot of sweets. You must or you mustn't? You must not eat a lot of sweets. Very good. This is an important one. Number 9. You speak English. You must speak English or you must not speak English? You must speak English. Let's see number 10. You stand up in the class. You sit down. You must not stand up in the class. You must sit down. Let's see number 11. You open your books. You must open your books. Let's see number 12. You do your homework. You must do your homework. Okay? So this is just to practice a little bit. We're going to see more about this tomorrow. We're going to practice more. We're going to talk about what obligations do you have, what provisions do you have, and all of that. Okay? So have a very nice day today and see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.